Hello everyone. Today we're going to compare wealthy affiliate site SiteRubix and Yola to help you decide which is better for building websites in 2024. Simply click the link in the description box to access both platforms. Let's dive in and explore each platform's features, advantages, and disadvantages. Let's start by looking at SiteRubix. SiteRubix is a website builder and hosting platform provided by Wealthy Affiliate. It allows you to create websites quickly and easily, with the added benefit of Wealthy Affiliate's training and community support. The platform offers hosting with free SSL certificates and fast page load times. To sign up for SiteRubix, you'll need to become a member of Wealthy Affiliate. To create an account, you need to click on the top right option saying Sign In. Now, you'll need to choose a domain name for your website. SiteRubix offers a free subdomain or the option to use a custom domain if you have one. Enter your preferred domain name to check its availability. In terms of pricing, SiteRubix includes a free starter plan, a premium plan for $49 per month, and a premium plus plan for $99 per month. The yearly plans are also provided. Yola, on the other hand, is a website builder that focuses on simplicity and ease of use. It offers a range of customizable templates and drag-and-drop tools for creating websites without the need for coding skills. For Yola's plans include a gold plan for growing business for $35 per month, silver plan for entrepreneurs for $18 per month, bronze plan for personal use for $9, and a free plan with a limited version. Yearly plans are also provided. The choice between SiteRubix and Yola depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for an all-in-one platform with comprehensive features and online business training, SiteRubix may be the better option. However, if you prioritize simplicity and ease of use in website building, Yola could be a suitable choice. Remember, you can try out both platforms using the links in the description below. Sign up for free today and start building your website. Thanks for watching.